multiplication and division of integers. So here we have some questions that have to do with multiplication and division of integers. But first of all, before we start, let's look at what the multiple of signs will actually look like. When you have plus times plus, it gives you plus. When you have minus times plus, it gives you minus. Whether it is minus times plus or plus times minus, you will always have minus. Okay, so these are the major things that you need to know. And when you have minus times minus, it gives you plus. So these three are very important. Plus times plus equals plus. Minus times plus or plus times minus equals minus. And minus times minus gives you plus. Okay, let's look at division. Plus divided by plus gives you plus. And when you have minus divided by plus, it gives you minus. And when you have minus divided by minus, it gives you plus. So plus divided by plus is plus, minus divided by plus is minus, or even if you have plus divided by minus, you're still going to have a minus. So minus divided by minus gives you addition. So let's start this question now. The first one, minus 2 times plus 3. The first thing you deal with is the signs. Okay, minus times plus, check here, minus times plus, that gives you minus. So put your minus sign and then multiply the numbers. 2 times 3, that gives you 6. That's the answer. For the second one, minus 2 times minus 3. Alright, so multiply the signs. Minus times minus. Minus times minus gives you plus. So put plus. And 2 times 3, that gives you 6. So plus 6 is the same thing as 6, remember? So number 3, plus 6 divided by minus 2. So check here. Plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus gives you the same thing, which is minus. So you can decide to write this as plus 6 divided by minus 2. It's still the same thing. So gives you minus. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. That's your answer. So let's do the last one, which is this. Minus 6 divided by minus 2. Okay, this can be written as minus 6 over minus 2. Minus can cancel minus, so even if you check here, minus divided by minus, that gives you plus, so gives plus. And 6 divided by 2, that gives you 3. And remember that plus 3 is the same thing as 3. So that's all about division and